Mission possible: restoring 100,000 square kilometers of Arctic ice. This could be one of the most vital missions to restore the rapidly melting Arctic ice. As crazy as it may sound, it could be just as brilliant. Arctic Reflections plans to reinforce Arctic sea ice by pumping seawater onto it during winter. Due to climate change, Arctic ice is melting at an alarming rate, with sea ice volume decreasing by 75% over the past 40 years. This drastic loss affects not only the Arctic region, but the entire planet. Here's why. Arctic sea ice functions like Earth's refrigerator, reflecting the sun's rays into space through its bright white surface. This phenomenon, called the albedo effect, allows ice sheets to reflect up to 90% of solar radiation, while the darker seawater reflects only 10%. The rapid decline in Arctic sea ice creates a self-reinforcing feedback loop. As seas warm, global temperatures rise, further accelerating the melting of Arctic ice. This cycle leads to rising sea levels, altering ocean currents, and threatening species like polar bears and seals. The IPCC predicts the Arctic Sea to be ice-free during the summer by the 30s or 40s unless we act. Enter Arctic Reflections, founded by two Dutchmen. Their ambitious goal is to thicken 100,000 square kilometers of Arctic ice annually over the next 50 years. By creating thicker ice sheets during winter, they aim to prevent the continued decline of summer Arctic ice by pumping seawater onto Arctic ice during winter. With average temperatures around -25 degrees Celsius, the seawater quickly freezes on the surface, helping to thicken the ice sheet more rapidly. They've raised €700,000 for their first field experiment and recently completed their initial tests in Svalbard. Using traditional pumps adapted to create ice roads, their work shows great promise in thickening Arctic ice. In just a few days, they already successfully thickened the ice sheet by 30 centimeters. Together with scientists of UNIS and Delft University, they will closely monitor the new ice's albedo effect, ice density, temperature, salt level, etc. The team estimates they'll need to pump seawater onto 100 to 1,000 strategically chosen Arctic locations. They're carefully exploring how to achieve this with minimal environmental impact, working in collaboration with local communities. As ice melts, the stakes rise. Arctic Reflections offers hope, not just on the horizon, but directly on the ice. Naturally, reducing CO2 and methane emissions is vital, but ambitious projects like this are crucial to addressing climate change's immediate impacts. Type yes if you agree.